Guys, if you've been investing for a while, you probably know the main problem. Your assets end up scattered across different broker apps, crypto wallets, and endless Excel spreadsheets. And at some point, it becomes really hard to see the full picture. Are you actually growing your portfolio or just moving money from one place to another? I'm Daniel. Welcome to my channel, where I make smart tutorials. And in today's video, we're taking a closer look at Snowball Analytics. It's a professional portfolio tracking platform designed to bring all of your investments together into one clear and structured dashboard. We'll see how it helps you organize your assets, understand your portfolio, and finally get a clean overview of your finances. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. So let's jump in and see how Snowball Analytics works. Friends, the platform is built around calm and structure. Instead of flashing charts or day trading signals, it focuses on long-term analytics with up to 10 years of historical data and detailed dividend tracking. The platform also includes a unique funds X-ray tool that shows what's actually inside the ETFs you hold. Once you log in, you land on the main screen, the center of your portfolio. Instead of checking multiple broker apps, everything appears here in a single currency view. Mates, at the top panel, you immediately see the key numbers: total asset value, net profit, and annual portfolio return. And one metric stands out: passive income. Snowball automatically calculates how much dividend income your portfolio is expected to generate over the year. Below that, we see the structure of the assets. In this example, more than 50% of the portfolio is allocated to funds, while the remaining assets are distributed across other parts of the portfolio. This kind of breakdown helps you instantly understand whether you might be taking too much risk by concentrating too heavily on a single sector. Folks, the interface itself feels very clean and calm. It doesn't push you into reacting to daily price movements. Instead, it keeps the focus on long-term investing strategies. Now let's move to something many investors especially like: the dividend calendar. In the upcoming events section, you can see a clear schedule showing who will pay you, when the payment is expected, and how much you will receive. For example, on the charts here, we can already see upcoming payments from companies like JP Morgan and Costco. Guys, Snowball doesn't just display past payouts, it also forecasts your dividend income for the entire year ahead. The charts break those expected payments down by months. This makes it much easier to plan reinvestment strategies or manage your personal budget if you rely on passive income. Another chart called Dividend Growth highlights something particularly important for long-term investors. It shows how your payouts grow over time, driven by dividend-growing companies and the effect of compounding. You can also set financial goals and track how your portfolio is progressing toward them. Friends, now let's take a look at one feature that really sets Snowball apart: Funds X-ray. Many investors buy ETFs like VOO or JPM-based funds, but they don't always know what is actually inside those funds. When the X-ray feature is turned off, we might see Apple representing nearly 14% of the portfolio. At the same time, a fund like VWCE might account for more than 16%. But that's not the full story. When we activate Funds X-ray, the system essentially looks inside those funds and breaks them down into the individual companies they contain. Now we can see our real exposure to each company across the entire portfolio. Folks, this is extremely important for diversification. You might discover that through several different ETFs, you're actually heavily invested in the same sector or even the same company. Snowball provides this level of transparency, which many broker apps simply don't show. Beyond funds, the portfolio can also be analyzed by geography. In this example, most of the assets are concentrated in the United States, with smaller allocations in Germany, Switzerland, and other regions. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but it helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Mates, for investors who like deeper analysis, the platform also provides up to 10 years of fundamental data. You can compare different companies, analyze their financial reports, and evaluate them based on real numbers rather than emotions or hype. The platform also offers a wide range of portfolio performance reports. These include metrics showing how close you are to reaching your financial goals, as well as overall income calculations that include fees, taxes, and dividends. Guys, so who is this tool really for? First of all, it's designed for long-term investors who value structure and want a clear understanding of where their money is actually allocated. It's also extremely useful for content creators because the charts and visualizations are very clean and professional, which makes them easy to present in videos or posts. At the same time, it's important to understand what Snowball is not. It's not a trading platform, and it's certainly not a financial advisor. Snowball Analytics works more like a personal navigation system for your investments, helping bring structure and clarity to your financial life. Friends, if you're interested in exploring the platform yourself, you can try this service and its various tools to see how it fits into your own investment workflow. Alright friends, let's wrap this up. Today we saw how Snowball Analytics helps bring your investments into one clear dashboard, so you can finally see the full picture of your portfolio instead of jumping between different apps and spreadsheets. The platform focuses on clarity and long-term structure, with tools like dividend tracking, long-term analytics, and the fund's X-ray feature that reveals what's actually inside your ETFs. Of course, Snowball Analytics isn't a trading platform, and it's not a financial advisor. It's simply a tool that helps you organize and analyze your investments more clearly. And as always, remember that this video is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making investment decisions. Before we finish, quick note: Snowball Analytics will run a 30% sale on all paid plans from March 16th to March 25th. If you want to try it, use my referral link in the description or scan the QR code on the screen. That link gives you access to the discount and also supports the channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.